How to scan documents using your iPhone camera. Step 1. Open your Notes app. You can directly scan from here using your iPhone's camera. No third-party apps needed. Step 2. Tap the Compose icon at the bottom right to start a new note. Once inside, tap the camera icon, then choose Scan Documents. Step 3. Now, point your camera at the documents. Your iPhone will automatically detect the edge to take the scan. If it doesn't auto-capture, just press the shutter button yourself. Step 4. Once scanned, you can drag the corners to perfectly crop it. Hit Keep Scan if it looks good. You can scan multiple pages. Just keep scanning until you're done, then tap Save. Step 5. Tap the share icon to send it via email, messages, or save it as PDF in your files. It's that easy, and scan are sharp and professional looking. So that's it.